Prime Minister Narendra Modi is chairing the National Conference of Chief Secretaries in New Delhi on the third and concluding day today. A tripartite accord will be signed between the Centre Assam government and the pro-talks United Liberation Front of Assam or ULFA today. It is intended to bring lasting peace in the northeastern region. Indian Space Research Organisation is planning to launch 50 satellites in the next 5 years for geo-intelligence gathering. External Affairs Minister Dr. S. Jaishankar expressed enthusiasm about his engagements and the opportunity to further strengthen the ties as part of his visit to Russia from 25th to the 29th of December 2023. Youth Affairs and Sports Minister Anurag Singh Thakur today congratulated Grandmaster Koneru Hampi for clinching silver in the World Women Rapid Championships 2023 at Samarkand, Uzbekistan.